In this video, I'm going to share the source code of e-commerce website with admin panel. So I had done this video a long time ago. As a playlist, there are almost 31 videos about e-commerce website and there was no admin panel. So in this video, I'm going to share source code with the admin panel, as well as there are a few people who are facing trouble in configuring or installing this project and registering on the PayPal website, PayPal checkout, for the payment gateway and all. So in this video I am going to share and show you everything about this, as well as installing from the scratch. So from the description of this video you can open the project link, that is a GitHub file. So when you click on the link, you will come to this page, and here you can see you can download the project from the GitHub, or those who are already a Git user, they can clone this project very easily. So right now I'm going to copy it and open in a different tab, paste, hit enter. So you can see this is a project files, everything is here, and the project folder name is e-commerce, right? So this is under the master branch, and you can either clone this project or you can simply download it as a zip folder. So I'm going to download it as a zip folder, and the downloading is already begun. It's downloading. Meanwhile, I'm going to create a database. So here this is a PHP myadmin, and I'm going to create a database with the name store_db. You can create the database with any name, whatever you want. Just click on this and the database is created. Select this database first and then click on import button. Here I need a SQL file, which you can see from the project folder. So I also need a text editor, so I'm going to use Sublime. I will open my project folder by using this file and open folder functionality. But before this, I need to extract my project folder. So right click here, show in folder, and this is a file. Right click, cut it from here. If you're using XAMPP, you can go to navigate to your C drive, then XAMPP, then htdocs, or if you are using WAMP, then you can navigate to C drive, then WAMP, then www folder. So that is both our server directory, and here I'm going to paste my project folder. So of course I already have that zip file, so I'm going to replace the file in the destination, right? So it's done. Here you can see the name of the project folder is ecommerce-master.j. So with time you can also get the updates about the project, because it's in a Git and I can easily update it, right? So just extract it. I'm going to extract this project folder. Right click, extract all. So extraction is completed. Back to your htdocs folder, and you can see there is a e-commerce master folder. Go inside, then again there is a e-commerce-master folder. Go again inside, and you can see there is a lot of files. Back to the e-commerce master, once again go inside, copy all the files, copy it back to the e-commerce folder and paste here in the root directory of the project. Complete, and delete the e-commerce master folder. That's it. This is all done. Now I'm going to open this project in my Sublime text editor. So select the C drive and then XAMPP, htdocs, looking for a e-commerce folder, e-commerce master, select folder. So all the files are listed in the directory as a branch of this project folder. Right now I'm going to change a few things, but before that I need to import the file. Choose file and navigate to your project directory, which is available inside XAMPP, htdocs, then e-commerce master, then database folder, then this is a SQL file named constore.sql. Click over it and open, and then click on go. So it will take little time because there are several SQL queries which are going to execute. So first it will load, then I will execute. Okay, so the execution is complete. You can see all are successfully executed. That's it. Close it, and you can see the store DB has no tables, so it has admin table. There are a few admins, and I'm going to clear all these column table rows. So empty the table, click over here. Now we have brands, and I'm going to keep it as it is. Then we have cart, that is also blank. Then we have categories. I would like to keep it. Orders, okay, I would like to clear this because we don't have a user yet, right? Empty the table, then how we have orders. Then we have products, and I'm going to clear this product table also. Then we have user underscore info, that is nothing but a customer table, so I would like to clear this one too. It's a simple e-commerce website with simple admin panel table. That's it. Okay, so this is done. Now back to your project directory, and I'm looking for a file. This is all our old files, and the update is this admin folder. This is a new thing added in this project. The rest of the thing is same like the old, and the coding is also worst, I believe, but still it's a working one. So db.php, and the database name I'm going to change it as db underscore store. So password, save, and save it. The database name is store underscore db, sorry, store underscore db, save it. Here, this is for the e-commerce shopping cart website. Then again, we need to mention that database change in the admin folder. That has a classes folder. Their admin is properly structured, and you can find it better compared to this e-commerce listed files, right? So here there is a database.php file, and it's a class. And change this name to store underscore db. Save this. So we have configured our database. Now I'm going to load the index.php file of website. Copy file path and paste here. Replace the htdocs with localhost. Hit enter. And you can see there is no product, only the list of categories and brands are available. So I need to add few products. For that I need to open the admin panel, which is also the same directory, but instead of index.php there will be admin folder. Hit enter. Again there is a list of files, so I would like to change this to the localhost. Now again hit enter, and there you are in the directory, right? You are directly in the index page, and this is completely wrong. So the session of the old user is running, I think. Just for the confirmation, I would like to see one thing. Yeah. So I just need to sign out because I was already logged in, so I tried before this video, that's why. But if you want to go to the index page like this, then you were unable to go there. See, you cannot go. If you try to go to the index page, then back to the login page, so it's impossible without a registration. So first of all, I would like to add an admin, then register as an admin. Email I need, password, click on register button, and you can see the little message here, admin created successfully. Now we can log in. So click over here and choose the email, choose the password, and register. That's again a blender, and I'd like to go back. That's e-commerce master, right? And sorry, let me try to log in once again. So this is a different folder, Hans store. This is my old existing project, but that is actually it is coming to this file, right? This is the old project, so I need to change it. See here, I need to change, like it's a Hans store. Instead of Hans store, the project folder name is eCommerce hyphen eCommerce hyphen master. Save it, and I would like to clear my session also. That's why I'm coming to this path. So just remove it, reload, and save everything, save all, and press Ctrl Shift R to clear your cache. Now try to log in once again. Password. Hit click submit, and you're back to the Hans store. Where is the problem, man? Okay, it's working. Once again, sign out. Let me try. Yeah, now it's fine. Session and cache, everything is cleared. So here I have the only one admin, which is I'm myself, and don't try to delete it, and I have not written the functionality for it also, so don't mess with this. Now we don't have orders, we don't have products. That's why our website is blank here. I can add the product. So first of all, I would like to add product. Okay, before adding it, I need to mention the image, because I'm going to save image also in my database. So I'd like to specify the path. So for that, you need to check your product class. Here there is a products class, and scroll down a bit, then you will see a method add product. Scroll down a bit, and you can see the move uploaded file. Here the name is Hans store, so remove this name, and it is eCommerce. Or better to, if you would like to have a constant, right now don't use constant. I will update this code. Okay, so just let it be like this, eCommerce hyphen master product images. Save it. Go and edit product with image. Here also we need to change. Save all. Okay, so now refresh it and add a product. Samsung Galaxy S8, and select the brand, Samsung mobile, Samsung. Samsung is a good phone. Quantity, let's take 1000. Price, let's take 10,000. Then we have a keyword, Samsung mobile, S10 or S8. Choose a file. I like the image one. I have it extra images. Okay, eCommerce images, and let's take the. And of course, there is something wrong, but the product is added. Refresh it, and you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 is added. If you come here and reload this, then you will see the Samsung. Then add one more, or if you want, you can edit this one. Click on edit, So keep everything as it is, change the file name, image name. Okay, change the image actually. Let's add this image. You can see product modified successfully. Click OK and reload it. The image is changed, so it's working fine. Product addition is done. You can add the brand, you can add the categories, customers. So we don't have a customer yet. Let's try to add one more product. I want to show you the filtration. Add a product from the, let's add iPhone. Okay, iPhone 7 Plus. Brand is Apple. Category will be mobiles. Trunk. iPhone is a brand. iPhone is a good phone. Okay, quantity 1000. Price 50,000. And keywords will be iPhone, comma, Apple, comma, and mobile, something like that. Choose a file, choose iPhone 7 image and update. Now sorry for this issue, I will fix it. I'll reload it, and you can see that we have an iPhone and we can also edit it. Now let's reload your page and you can see there are two phones. Now see the filtration. So category is mobiles, so both belongs to mobile category, that's why both of are here. Now let's see the brand wise. Samsung, so it has only Samsung. Now Apple, it is Apple, right? Let's buy one of them. Add to cart. Your product is added successfully. Now let's check out. So ready to check out. You can increase the product quantity. Let's say product is updated. Keep it 1. Okay, and click on ready to check out. For that we need to log in, but we don't have a account, so I need to create a customer account. Let's create one. And email, password 1 2 3 4 5 6 9. Again, mobile, take anything, sign up. So you can see now we are in the cart page again and we can check out. So before checkout, the problem most of you facing like PayPal, so it's here, action.php file. Scroll a bit or go to the last step. So now, yeah, here you can see we have a form, this, which contains all the input fields about the PayPal. So the business, we need to mention a merchant account. For that we need to create a merchant PayPal account. For that we need to go to the PayPal, we need to create a PayPal professional account. So I already have, so just go to paypal.com. And actually I would like to open in the developer mode instead of normal, developer.paypal.com. So that's a 404. So now it's PayPal, developer.paypal.com, and login into dashboard. Use your personal account. Okay, my apps and credentials. Here you can see the section sandbox is here. Click on accounts. And here I have already created few PayPal accounts. So this is ecombusiness@constore.com. This email account I created today. This is a sandbox testing account. You can create one, like create account, choose the country, like I'm from India, so India, and the personal account you're going to create a buyer account or you're going to create a seller account. Seller account is your merchant account. Click on business, choose the email address, choose anything, everything is fine. So let's choose eCommerce hyphen okay, let's see eCommerce hyphen store @ honeststore.com. So eCommerce hyphen store @ password, let me add this as a password too. First name will be Rizwan, last name will be Han. Payment method, minimum balance you can add, let's add any number digits. Okay, less than 5, it's right now 50,000, 5 lakh, and then finally I think crore. Okay, that's whatever it is. Visa and create account. Just click on create account and it will create the account. So the sandbox account is created, a sandbox account creation in progress, and you can see my another eCommerce-store@constore.com account is created. Okay, so you just need to get it from here, copy and paste here, right? Then next you need to see the return statement. So this will be your project or the website or domain, whatever you have, you need to paste here. So this is my one local host, then the project one. So I'm going to remove project one and add eCommerce hyphen master. eCommerce, it's eCommerce master, right? And payment success.php page. Copy this, replace the constore with commerce master, and then cancel return constore again back to replace with commerce master and save it. Okay, like the seller account, you can also create the buyer account. Just follow the same steps, right? And then finally try to use reload your page first to load everything, and use PayPal checkout. And you can see we have a sandbox.paypal.com, and I'm gonna use my one of the buyer account, Swan Khan, log in. One thing I forget to tell you, after creating a sandbox account, let's do this checkout first. And I paid 50,000. Then I have an option return to merchant. So merchant details, Rizwan Khan, test store. So I need, and this is the dummy address, you can modify these things. But I have to click to back to the merchant website, means back to my website. I have to click this one. And you can avoid this condition by logging into your PayPal account using your sandbox PayPal account. I will show you. So here localhost eCommerce master payment _ success.php page. So eCommerce master, this is the project folder. Then we have payment _ success.php page. So see, this is nothing, no information, just payment _ success.php. So here you can log in to the sandbox account what we have created just now. So go open this URL, sandbox.paypal.com. First log out, then log in. My business email address is, copy and paste here. Password will be the same, this one, login. So it's done. Here you can see there are a lot of things, right? And I just wasted my 50,000 rupees, INR or dollar, whatever it is. So click on this gear icon and click on selling tools and click on website preferences, update, and you can see you can just need to on this auto return, right, on it, and get the URL from here, copy it, paste. So it's payment success, PayPal, localhost, something like that. Save it, scroll a bit, payment data transfer means the information like payment is successful or failed, amount, total amount, like this. So keep this on, save. So it's done. Back to the profile, and just to check like confirmation it's updated or not, click once again to the update. You can see it's confirmed, right? It's done. So let's try to buy once again. So back here and not admin, just the website. Let's add this $10,000 Samsung phone. It's too high, right? I thought of INR and then I added. So product is added to the cart. Edit. Remove the iPhone and PayPal checkout. So I'm going to use my normal PayPal account, actually buyer account. This is a sandbox buyer account, and password will be the same. Login. Choose a PayPal credit or whatever. Continue. Pay now. You can see you paid 10,000 and you will be back to the merchants or the seller website in just 10 seconds. And yippee, thank you, hello Swan, your payment process is successfully completed. Now continue shopping. Now back to the admin control panel. So this is here in the product list, and the problem and the bug, you can say I will fix it and then you can re-download. We have purchased Samsung Galaxy as well as iPhone, but this is still 1000, so I'll have to subtract the quantity whatever I just bought. This is one bug in the website. Order is just this is a successful order up to now, so I got the payment successfully, contact transaction ID, and payment status is completed. Then I have brands, you already know, categories, and then we have the only one customer right now here, address is XXS. So this is all about the admin control panel. If you want, you can modify it. The source code is in front of you, and this time compared to the website, this code is highly not highly, but inside the admin everything is properly structured. Like in the JS folder there are multiple JS files, not everything in the same folder and same file. Like for admin there is only the admins list to add the admin and to get the list, brand to get the brand, and to add the brand, to edit the brand. Like this we have very small files, not very large like the old days. So you can restructure the e-commerce website, and you can ask for help anytime. Just make sure to write a comment about the problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And do share this video with your friends who is in the college and looking for an e-commerce project for their final year. So I want to help them so they can get help from this project. And highly appreciate if you subscribe this YouTube channel and registered in my website. Thanks.